Elderly woman and grandson loses house to fire in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An elderly woman and her grandson are now homeless following a fire which completely destroyed their home in Robbins Hall, Manchester on Tuesday, February the 15th. Reports from the police are that the fire believed to have been caused by a small wood fire which was left unattended by the elderly woman who went to purchase items at a nearby shop. Residents saw smoke coming from the building and raised an alarm, and the fire department was summoned. Upon the arrival of the fireman, it was discovered that the blaze had already consumed the entire building and the entire content was destroyed. The house was not insured. An estimate of the damage has not yet been ascertained. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.